Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. We are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. And friends, of course, we are solving 7th class maths textbook and we are already completed first chapter and now we are in the second chapter now. So what is the question here he given to us? Find the perimeters of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE in this figure. So you all are going to see the figure, right? Whose perimeter is greater? So you are going to find the triangle ABE, at the same time perimeter of the rectangle BCDE, and you have to say finally that whose perimeter is greater. Excuse me. Okay friends, so before solving this, there is a small request from my side. My channel name, it is Be Inspired, and please share, like, subscribe my channel. Students, while listening it is okay, we can easily say that okay, I understood, I got it, but please try to solve the answer by pausing the video, because you are going to see only a question here. So just pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Then we will get somewhere some doubts. Our pen is going to stop somewhere else. In that point, what you have to do, then you pause on the video and you just go through it. Like that, if you start solving, we can clear each and everything. This is just my idea. If you have any doubts, just please ping me in the comment section. Okay students, now we'll start the class. So here the triangle perimeter. First of all, before going to the topic, in 6th class we learned the formulas of triangle, the formulas of perimeter of triangle and perimeter of rectangle. So first we all know that perimeter means sum of all sides. So perimeter of triangle ABE is nothing but perimeter has 3 measurements, that is length, breadth and height. So that is the reason I have written here length plus breadth plus height. So here we can consider what is AB here, 5 by 2 centimeters plus breadth BE will take 3 by 4 centimeters plus AE will come 3 by 5 centimeters. So by seeing this, you can easily understand this belongs to mixed fractions. So here we have to convert this mixed fractions into improper. 5 by 2 plus. Now how can we convert mixed into improper? By using the symbols into, plus. So multiply the whole number with the denominator, that is 2 4s are 8, and add to the numerator. 2 4s are 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. Plus the same thing, 3 5s are 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. Now I can do addition for the unlike fractions. Of course you all know that unlike fractions are nothing but the denominators are different. We can do either addition or subtraction only for the like fractions. We can do either addition or subtraction only for the like fractions, but we can't do either addition or subtraction for unlike fractions. The first thing what I have to do, I have to convert an unlike fraction into a like fraction. With what procedure I can convert unlike into like fraction? Simple, by using the method called LCM. So LCM should be taken only for the denominators. In this question, my denominators are 2, 4 and 5. So now we will start taking LCM for the denominators. LCM 2, 4 and 5. Now 2, 4, 5 will go in 2 table, because prime numbers we are going to consider for taking LCM only prime numbers. So 2 and 4 will go in the prime number 2 table. Okay. Two 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 5 will come as it is. Now we all know that 1, 2, 5 are prime numbers, so we can stop doing LCM. 2 into 1 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 and 21s are 20. So in this way we got our LCM is 20. Now we'll move on to the next step. What is the reason we done LCM? We want our denominators to become 20. So in this question, my 2 will come 20. In 2 table when I'll get 20, 2 10s are 20. Whatever the thing you are doing in the denominator, the same thing you should apply for the numerator also. So here I done extra thing is into 10. So the same thing I done for the numerator also. Now 4 table when I'll get 20, 4 5s are 20. So into 5 I'll do in the numerator also. 5 table when I'll get 20, 5 4s are 20. So into 4 I should do even for the numerator also. Now multiplying numerators and denominators. 2 10s are 20. Sorry, we should write that in the denominator. 5 tens are 50 by 2 tens are 20 plus 11 fives are 55 by 4 fives are 20 plus 18 fours are 72 by 5 fours are 20. Now all my denominators are same. In this case, I can go for addition of the numerators. So my numerators are 50, 55 and 72. Now add 1's place 7 and 10's place is 17. So my answer is 177 by 20 centimeters. But we all know that our question is in mixed fraction. So automatically here also we are going to convert an improper fraction into mixed fraction. That will happen only with the help of division. Now 20 table 177, 28s are 160 and now after subtracting 7, 1 and 0. So how to write this in mixed fraction? Nothing but quotient remainder by divisor. So in this question the quotient is 8 and the remainder is 17 and the divisor is 20. So my perimeter of triangle is 8, 17 by 20 centimeters. Now in the same way we are going to find the perimeter of the rectangle also. So first we'll write the question, first we'll copy the figure and then we'll go for it, okay? Now by seeing the figure we can go for perimeter of rectangle here. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to BCDE. So here he already given that 7 by 6 centimeters. So this one we can take as BC plus CD plus DE plus EB or BE. And we also know the perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into length plus breadth. So here my length is 3 by 4 centimeters and breadth is 7 by 6 centimeters. So now first we will do this work which is there in the brackets. So first we'll solve the addition. 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Of course here we have a mixed fraction. This mixed fraction can be converted into improper by using the symbol into plus. Now multiply whole number with the denominator. 2 4s are 8 plus 3. 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. So here also I got two unlike fractions. How can I say unlike fractions? My denominators are different. When my denominators are different, what I should do? I have to change my denominators into same. Which procedure I can use to convert the denominators into same? Yes, I have to use LCM method. Now I have to go for LCM for 4 and 6 to change unlike fractions into like fractions. Now 4, 6. 4 will come into table. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. As we all know that 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so we can stop doing LCM. 2 into 2 into 3, 12. So my denominator is going to become 12. Now in 4 table when I'll get 12, yes, 4 3s are 12. So whatever the thing I am doing in the denominator, the same thing I should do in the numerator also. Now in 6 table 12 we'll get 6 2s are. Now multiply numerators and denominators. 11 3s are 33 by 4 3s are 12 plus 7 2s are 14 by 6 2s are 12. Now add the numerators. 33 plus 14, that is nothing but 47 by 12. And not only this we done only for the addition part which is there in the brackets. So this bracket answer is 47 by 12. So here we have to do 2 into 47 by 12. As we already know that we can multiply or we can go for cancellations, because in 2 table 12 will come. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. 1 into 47 is nothing but 47 by 6. As we all know that our question is in mixed fraction, my answer also should be in mixed fraction. So here I am converting my improper fraction into mixed fraction with the help of division. Now 6 table 47 will not come. So 6 7s are 42 because 6 8s are 48. 7 minus 2 is 5. So what is the formula we know here? Quotient remainder by divisor. So in this case my quotient is 7. My remainder is 5. Divisor is 6. So my perimeter of rectangle is 7 5 by 6 centimeters. Now we will see what is the perimeter of triangle. This is 8 17 by 20. Finally my question is whose perimeter is greater? Means I have to compare these two numbers. 8 17 by 20. Now I have to compare this. 8 17 by 20 box 7 5 by 6. So again these are mixed fractions. I am converting into improper fractions. 28s are 160 plus 17 177 by 20 dash 7 6 are 42 plus 5 47 by 6. So we can go for cross multiplication here. Now we will go for the cross multiplication. 177 into 6 by 20 into 6 box 47 into 20 by 6 into 20. Now 177 6 we will find 6 sevens are 42, 42 plus 4 46, 6 plus 4 10. So 1062 by 120. This is perimeter of triangle. Now 47 2s are 2 sevens are 14, 2 4s are 8 9. 940 by 120 centimeters. So I can compare only when my denominators are different. Even I can't do either addition, subtraction or comparison if my denominators are different. Now my denominators are different, I can compare only the numerators. Either the two numerators, this one is the bigger one. So automatically perimeter of triangle is more than perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Of course, you can find out even how much it is greater. 1062 minus 940, you'll get 6 minus 4 2, 10 minus 1 9. So 120 by 120 you'll get. Means perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle by 1 centimeter. Okay students, so this is the way you can compare whenever you are going to get mixed fractions or fractional additions. Unlike fraction additions, this is the process we have to follow. Okay students, I hope you all understand today's class. Thank you for listening.